Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. Here is a recipe for making 12 flapjacks. And this is the ingredients for 12 flapjacks. We've got oats, butter, sugar, tablespoons of syrup. Jose wants to make 30 flapjacks. Work out how much of each ingredient he needs. Now what we're going to do first and foremost over here, we'll recognize that we've got 12 flapjacks. What we're going to be doing, and we need to get to 30. Why don't we first and foremost divide this by 2, and therefore we'll end up with 6 flapjacks over here. And then what we'll do, we'll carry that on, and then we'll times that by 5. Then we'll multiply this one by 5 to give us 30. So we're going to divide by 2 and then times by 5, and that will give us 30. So what do we do then? What we could possibly do is work on each item individually. And then what we'll do, we'll get 250, and we have to divide it by 2, which will give us 125. That gives us 125 grams. And then we're going to times that by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Let's place that over there. Carry the 2. Then 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 2 is 12. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 1, which is 6. That's 625 grams of oats. Then a half of dividing by 2 is the same as getting a half of 120, which is 60 grams. 60 grams times by 5 is 300 grams. And in terms of sugar, that's going to be exactly the same, because the numbers are the same. 120 grams, and then 2 divided by 2 is just 1 tablespoon. Then times it by 5, which will give us 5 tablespoons. Okay, so let's place that over there. That's 625 grams. And we have 300 grams of butter. We have 300 grams of sugar. And we have 5 tablespoons of syrup. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.